All right, let me show you how to make a really quick and easy frame in Cricut Design Space. So I picked this design that comes from Cricut Design Space. You can find it if you have Cricut Access for free. It's called Pastel plus Glitter Felt Travel Bag. So it's something like, if you want to put it on a tote bag, well, let's, kick it up a little notch and put a rectangular frame border around it. So what we're going to do is come over to Shapes. That opens up the shapes menu and we're going to click on that rectangle. There we have a rectangle. I am going to click it and drag it below, below all the letters. Right here for the S. Right, now I can grab that corner and enlarge it. Go. Move that up. Center a little bit. Okay. Just a little bit bigger. So that the frame, so that I don't have it completely below everything. Don't have it below stuff, the offset. There we go. All right, so now I can see it's got my offset, it's got the different colored letters, and the rectangles all the way in the back. So now let's just change the color. We don't have to, but just for the sake of this, I'll change the color. All right, now I'm going to right click and duplicate a rectangle. Put it right back on top. Go. And let's go look here in the I'm going to take this rectangle that's over here in the layers panel and we're going to do the same thing. Drag it down. Drag it. Scroll down a little bit. Drag it all the way down so that it can be right next to this rectangle. There we go. We got them next to each other in the layers panel to just make things a little easier for the next step. So we're going to select the two rectangles. Alright, so with them selected, as you can see in the layers panel, the two rectangles are selected. I'm just going to come down here and click on Slice, which is the bottom of the layers panel. Give it like 1 or 2 seconds, depending on the speed of your computer. All right, now we can see that there are what 4 slice results. So I'm just going to come in here and move away things that I don't need. Nope. Okay, and now I know I'm getting these little 2 lines. I forgot to make the second rectangle smaller. I'm glad I did it on here so you can see the mistake. It's not really a frame. It's not even it's like half frame. It's because I forgot to make the second rectangle smaller. So I can just click undo a couple times. It's the magic of doing things in this digital age. Is we don't have to completely start from scratch when we make a mistake. You can just click undo. Alright, so I've got my rectangles, I can see. And select one. Let me select one rectangle. I can see it's selected when I click on it because it's like highlighted blue. And I'm going to shrink it down. All those corners. Continue. Kind of center it. There. Now I can see I have two different size rectangles, which is what I forgot to do before. So now I'm going to select the two rectangles, and then we're going to click on slice like we just did. And as we scroll up now, we can see we have our slice results again. And this time I can see our three slice results, which is what you want to have because you want a frame. And before, when I didn't shrink it like I was supposed to, I had four slice results. So I'm going to click on this one and delete it. I mean, I could just move it away as well. I'm going to delete that one again. And then you see we're left with just the frame. So click on it and move that around so you can see. So that is our frame around our little word text here. So that will be cute on, like I said, tote bag, backpack, or wherever you keep your art stuff. That's how you make a simple um, border or frame in Design Space. So I hope you like that, and I hope you found that helpful.